Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 40. Which is the graph of y equal negative x minus 2 square? So first we have to review on quadratic functions. They have the general form and the vertex form. So making sure we know this. So general form and vertex form, okay? So in this case, we have the vertex form. First of all, let's try to solve for these questions with the information we learned, right? We must memory is here, okay? So we have the vertex form. We rewrite it. So y is f of x equal negative mean negative 1 x minus 2 square plus 0. You see why I write out like that? So that I can compare our a in this case is negative 1, the thing in front, right? Then my h is 2 because we have the negative here, so h is just 2. Then k, we see nothing, means 0. And you see the vertex here, the order pair of the vertex is h is 2, k is 0. So the point 2 comma 0 is one of point on the graph, okay? So this one we have the point 2, but the vertex is have to be laid on 2. Okay, that's the vertex. So which one have the vertex when x equal 2? This is x equal negative 2, so it's not the right answer. This have 2, right? Keep that. It's have 4, so it's not the right answer. It have 2, keep it. C have 2, keep it. E have 4. The vertex is at 4. 4 comma 0, right? So it's not E as well. So we have C and B, right? Now we have to check for what else? We have to check for the y-intercept. Y-intercept is when x is equal 0. Then we have the y-intercept value. So we plug in, we have y-intercept that equal negative x is 0 minus 2 square. So y-intercept is minus 0 minus 2 is negative 2. When you square the negative 2, it becomes positive, but we still have the negative outside, okay? That becomes 4. Negative 4. So y-intercept is 0 comma negative 4. That is your y-intercept. 0, negative 4 is this right here. So this one is 4, is not negative 4, so B is not the right answer. So we choose C as the right answer. Also, we can talking about the coefficient A here in front of the x square term. That the lead coefficients when A is positive, you will have the graph is concave up, move like that. Both end will be face up, okay? If A is less than 0, you will have the graph look like this. It's all fade down. So in this case, A is negative 1. Of course, the graph will be fade down. And you see B is face up, so we not choose B. By looking at the coefficient a, I can eliminate a since it's face up, eliminate b since it's face up, right? Then I will use the vertex, and I see that I can eliminate e because it's not the right vertex. This one because a here is greater than 0, but we have a is negative. Okay. And in another case, we also can find the x-intercept as well. And x-intercept is x-intercept value, comma, 0 when y equals 0. So you have to plug in 0 in y and solve for x. So, and we know that this one only be 0 when x minus 2 is 0, and the multiplicity of the answer is 2. Okay, because you have the degree of 2. Then we add 2 both sides. That cancel. We have x equal 2. So the x-intercept is 2, comma 0. It's the same as the vertex in this case. So we making sure we will remember the fact of the coefficients a for the direction of concave up or down. Then we need to memorize the form here. Okay, general form, we find the vertex by using, you see that a lead coefficient b and c. Then we plug in here to find h, and then you plug h in the functions of f of x to find k. Then you will have this setting again. All right. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.